Hello, Elmira and Leila. Yours, how are you? How was your day today? Is everything okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Elmira, did we solve questions from 2016? No, right?
No. No.
No. Okay, very good. So, are you ready for class, Elmira, Leila? Yeah, we have only like 55 minutes, girls. Let's start,
Yes.
okay? And I hope you are doing well and you look good today. And we are getting close to Sasmo dates. I think it's going to take place when? Maybe April 28th something. Okay, so now we have already finished 2015 papers. Today we will start, what is it, 2016. And also, I think I have already shared with you. If not, I'm going to share again one more time, okay? And also at weekend, you need to practice as many questions as possible, because if you practice at home and after that come to the class, we will go much faster, okay? Because at least you have some idea how to solve these questions. Okay, today is April 8th and 6A. Good. So Elmira, Leila, as you know, did you make cold water?
I was about to finish my clothes.
Okay, as you know, what is it? The questions from 1 to 15, they are easy questions, right? And also they are multiple choice questions. At least you have some idea because we have 5 choices. And questions from like 16 to 20, they are medium level questions. And the questions 20 to 25, they are difficult questions, okay? So you should try to solve the question from 1 to 15 in maximum 2 minutes, all right? So let's see. Okay, here we have 25 questions and 30 minutes. Okay, so let's start with this. That's also a very easy question, but first you need to have a look. Before you start solving the question, have a look. Okay, what method you're going to use here. And after that, you need to start solving this. You have only 1 minute. Can you do this question in 1 minute? Bring tea. Elmira, any answer?
I have an answer, but there is no like answer.
So we have none of the above. Leila got 7455. Really? Okay.
But
Elmira, how did you calculate it? Can you just tell me quickly, how did you calculate this? Did you actually group first, like for example, in the 1, 2, 3, 4 with this? Group them together.
I
And
took,
5, 4,
can I show
3,
you?
2, group together. And 7, 8, 4. Freezer, make cold water, liquid. Okay, so as you see here, 1,234 minus 134, that's equal to 1100, right? And 5432 minus 232, that's equal to plus 5200. And 789 minus 819, that's equal to, what is it, minus 30, right? It is 30, yes. So now this one together, it is 6300 minus 30, which is equal to 6270. Elmira, did you get this answer?
Yes, I get this.
Leila, how did you get 7455?
1 plus first number and 2 number and 3. Only this.
Yeah, how come the answer is 66270 and Leila, your answer is 7455? That means that you make a big mistake, right? Anyway, Leila, this is a very easy question. You should not make a mistake in solving these questions. Question from 1 to 15, you should not make any mistake. Okay, actually, we have tolerance for 2 mistakes. At least you have to solve 13 questions correctly. Okay, so the answer is we don't have any answer like this. The answer is none of the above. Okay. Nigar, welcome. We have just started. Okay, we started 2016 paper. That's our first question. All right. And you need to solve the questions in 2 minutes. If you can solve in 2 minutes, that's good. I mean, if it is taking more than 2 minutes, not good. Okay, let's continue. Move to the next question. Okay. What is the value of half of a quarter of a third of 96? Okay, you have 45 seconds. Time starts now. Okay, Leila, Nigar, Elmira. All right, very easy question, right? That's all answers are correct. Half means 1/2, times off means times. Quarter means 1/4, and a third means 1/3, and 96. Simply, that's equal to 96 over 2 times 4 times 3. That's equal to 24. So the answer is 4. Good. Next question, if you are ready. Okay, how many two-digit multiples of 3 are there? Okay, 1 minute. Any answer, Elmira, Leila, Nigar?
Yes, I send you my answer.
Leila, okay, correct. Elmira, correct. Nigar?
Yes, 1 second.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nigar, why 32? Why?
No, wait.
Huh? The first two-digit number that is divisible by 3, right? Actually, this multiple means that must be divisible by 3. That number is, what is it? It is 12. And if we just continue, it is 15. And the last two-digit number, the biggest two-digit number, which is a multiple of 3, it is 99. Now, how many numbers do we have? Actually, the difference here is 3, right? To find the number of numbers in a sequence, right? If it is increasing, I mean the what is it? If you just pick any two different two consecutive terms, if the difference is constant, the same, just simply the biggest number minus the smallest number over the amount of the increment, that is 3 and plus 1, right? 99 minus 12, that's equal to 87 over 3 plus 1, which is equal to 30, right? Or also you can just count like this, right? 12 is 4 times 3 dot dot 99 is 33 times 3. Starting from 4 until 33. How many numbers do we have here? Starting from 4, right? So that is, we have 30 numbers. So the answer is, we have 32 digits, multiples of 3. Next question. Elmira, read the question.
30 boys eat 2,100 buns in 35 days. How many boys eat 660 buns in 11 days?
Okay, I think the question is clear. You have 1 minute and 45 seconds exactly to solve this question. All right, very good, very good. Okay. Keep the door closed, keep the door closed. Okay. Outside, people are making movie. Elmira, I got your answer. How about Layla and Nigar? 15 seconds left. Nigar, 24. Layla, how about you? What's your answer?
My answer it is E, maybe, yes, E. 30.
Okay. So, Elmira, if you just solve this in this way, here we have 30 boys. Let me just write the boys and buns and the days at the top. Here we are talking about boys, and here we are talking about buns, and also number of days, right? And it says that 30 boys can eat 2,100 buns in 35 days. The question is, how many boys eat or can eat 660 months in 11 days. First, actually, how can I have 11 here, right? We know that if you just fix, if you do not change the number of boys, we know that if we have more bonds, it will be enough for more days, right? If we have less bonds, it will be enough for less days. That means that in math, how we call this kind of relationship? We call them that they are directly proportional because they are increasing at the same rate. So that means that 30, if I multiply these two numbers by the same number, does not change anything. So what do I do here? 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, I divided by 35. And also 35 over 35. Now also I will multiply this by 11, okay, by 11, because here I want to have 11 days here. So if you simplify this here, 30 and 35, right? What is it? 2100 times 11, right? It is divisible by 7. Okay, it is 300. So it is 2100 times 11. and we should divide this by 35. That's equal to 660. And how about this one? 35, 35, they cancel each other. Here we have 11. That's it. So 30 boys can eat 660 buns in 11 days. Okay, Nigar.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Then why is your answer different then?
But now I'm sure, but I did mistakes.
Okay. All right. And suppose that Nigar, now you are taking the exam, all right? How would you solve these questions? Continue. Next question. Nigar, read the question.
16 adventurers want to cross a river, however, there is only one small boat. The boat can only accommodate a maximum of 4 people. What is the least number of crosses needed for all the adventurers to cross the river?
Okay, that's a question. If you didn't understand, you can read one more time. You have 2 minutes to answer this question. Time starts now. 4 seconds. Leila, you need to write only one answer, not two.
Mr. Kazım, this is with a boat driver or only this is with a boat driver or what?
What?
Uh, boat driver is two in a boat, on a maximum 4 people, or
Yeah, it can take maximum 4 people. But one person should use the boat, right? Because if, for example, let's say in the first, actually, how to say, the first, we call this route, right? Actually, 4 people get on the boat and they cross the river. So you can just drop 3 people on the other side. One person should come back, right?
yeah, my answer yeah, my answer is
What's your answer?
E.
E. Elmira,
Yeah.
Nigar, how about you? Nigar, E.
Mr. Kassan,
Elmira?
I think E too. I write A, but
No,
I check.
Elmira, why do you say you think? Why? Did you actually learn
No,
this
I'm
from Nigar?
sure. No, I'm sure. I'm sure.
Okay. Yeah, very simple question, right, Elmira? To do this one, just we need to draw, suppose that is our river, and here we have 16 people, and we have a boat. First, 4 people cross the river, and you should just drop 3 people, right? Because one person should use a boat, and we just come back. Now, again, you just take 3 more people, cross the river, and again drop 3 people, again come back. Now again, take 3 people, cross the river, leave there at this 3 people, and come back, right? And again, cross the river, leave 3 people, and come back. So now 4 people in a boat, right? They are crossing the river. Now how many people cross? It's already 16, right? So how many crosses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So minimum you need to cross the river 9 times for 9 times. It's not possible to do this in less than this. So it's just 9 times. Okay, let's move to the next question. Leila, read the question.
Lily's grandfather has an old clock. Every hour, the old clock moves 5 minutes slower than a normal clock. For example, if clock is set to the correct time at 9 a.m., the clock will show 9:55 a.m. In the same day when the actual time is 10 a.m., every morning grandfather will set the clock to the correct time, 9 a.m. What is the time shown on the old clock? Every time Lily's grandfather adjusts the time.
What is the time shown on the old clock every time Lily's grandfather adjusts the time? Maybe you should read the question, girls. Read it, okay? I will give you 1 minute and 45 seconds. It's also a very easy question. Time starts now. Leave your answer here. Do some math questions. Hmm? Or read a book or do some exercise. Elmira, Leila, Nigar, did you get anything? Hmm? Leila, what did you get? A. Nigar,
A.
how about you?
I'm not sure in my answer, but B.
B. Elmira, you?
Maybe she.
What?
She.
C.
Yes.
So why did you choose C? Because you want to be different from Nigar and Leila?
No, I can't solve it. I just
Why you can't
guess.
solve it, Elmira? Why, Nigar? It's so easy question. It says that every hour, right? It says every hour, the old clock moves 5 minutes slower than a normal clock. For example, if the clock is set to the correct time at 9 a.m., the clock will show 9:55, right? So in 1 hour, it gets slower by how many minutes? 5 minutes. In one day, how many hours do we have in one day? Because from 9 a.m. to next 9 a.m., we have 24 hours, right? So since in 1 hour, actually just slows down by how much? It is 5 minutes. And how about 24 hours? It is 24 times 5. That's equal to 120 minutes, which is equal to 2 hours, right? It was supposed to be 9 o'clock because it's moving slowly. Every hour, 5 minutes slowly, right? Slower than usual time, right? So the next morning it will show 7 a.m. That's it. Nigar, did you understand?
Yes.
Elmira?
Yes.
Leila, did you solve like this?
Yes, something this.
But
But
if you really solve like this, it is good. Great. Okay, we are moving to the next question. Nigar, read the question.
So find the smallest number that can be divided by 10 and 14.
Okay. Guys, you have 45 seconds. Very easy question. Okay. Time is up. Leila, what's your answer?
D.
D. Nigar, what's your answer?
D2.
Elmira, D. Okay, it's very easy question. What is find the smallest number that can be divided by 10 and 14? That means that we need to find the least common multiple of these two numbers, right? 10 and 14. And how do you find this? 10, 14, and divide by 2, it is 5. 7 divided by 5, it is 1. 7 divided by 7, it is 1. So the least common multiple is equal to 2 times 5 times 7. That's equal to 70. So the answer is D. Okay, Elmira, it's your turn. Let's move to the next question. Read the question.
A group of 9 people visit the local science center. The ticket price for an adult is $10 and the ticket price for a child is $5. The group paid $70 for the tickets. How many children are in this group?
Okay, you have 1 minute and 2 minutes, let's say, okay, for this question. Time starts now. Very easy question. Let me drink some water. Guys, Abbas is bored. Can you try something for Abbas? Ay. Elmira, finished?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Let's wait for 30 more seconds for others.
I
Okay.
sent my answer too.
Uh-huh. I got it. Leila, how about you? This time Leila's answer is different. Let's see. Elmira says B, Nigar says B, Leila says C. Anyway, usually, how did you solve this? I actually suggested to solve this question is in very simple algebra. It says that how many children are in this group, right? And let's say here we have adults and the children. And altogether, how many people? 9 people. Suppose that we have n children. Then how many adults? We have 9 minus n adults, right? And what is the adult ticket? Adult ticket is $10. And how about a child ticket? Child ticket is $5. And in total, how much did they pay? $70. That means that 10 times 9 minus adult. This is the amount that we pay for adult tickets plus 5 times n we pay for children. That's equal to $70. From here, 10 times 9, it is 90 minus 10n plus 5n, that's equal to 70. Negative 10 plus 5, right, so, that's equal to negative 5n. And take 90 to the right-hand side, 70 minus 90. So what is n? 70 minus 90, that's equal to negative 20 over negative 5, which is equal to 4. So n is the number of children, so there are 4 children. Okay, Leila, your answer is correct now. Let's move to the next question. Okay, what is it? Question 9. Nigar, read the question.
So an operator square acts on two numbers to give the following outcomes. What is 13? This operator 23 equals 2.
Okay, you have 1 minute and 45 seconds. Leila, your answer is correct. Elmira, correct. Nigar, 2 seconds.
Oh, 1 second.
Okay. Elmira, can you tell me how did you solve it?
Yes, I can. If 31 plus 7 will get like 38 and divided it 2 by 2, it means 19. And the same time, like 13 plus plus 23, it means 36, and divided by 2, it means 18.
Very good. That means that this operator is carrying out what operation here? We should just add these two numbers together and divide by 2, right? So 13 plus 23 is 36, and divide by 2, that is 18. Okay, good. Leila, read the question.
The large cube is the figure on the right is from 64 small cubes. The surface of the cube was painted. How many small cubes have only two sides painted?
Very easy question. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Elmira, are you sure?
Not at all, but maybe.
It says the surface of the cube was painted red. How many small cubes have only two sides painted? Time is up. Elmira, E, Nigar, B, Leila, what's your answer?
Mm, I don't know, maybe. Mm, I don't know, but yeah,
Okay.
maybe.
Maybe I think, Leila, you didn't understand the question. It says if you just paint the whole cube, right? It says that how many small cubes have only two sides painted? If you look at this, all right, let me just show you one side. Actually, here two faces painted. Which one actually? This one, right? As you see here, and also this one, right? And like this, how many do we have here at the top? We have 8, right? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the middle, we have 1 and 2, 3, 4. The other side also 4. It is also, well, how many? 8, right? And also at the bottom, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, also 8. So that is 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many? It is 24. The answer is D. Okay, Nigar, Elmira.
Yes, I understood this question not very good.
But did you understand now, Elmira?
Yes, now I understood. It is Nigar, no, not
Oh,
Amir.
Nigar, Nigar, sorry. I thought
Yeah.
Elmira was talking to me. Okay, sorry, Nigar. Okay. Nigar, where is your cat?
My cat is sleeping in the room.
Okay. When it wakes up, let me know. I want to see it. If it wakes up until our class is over. Let's move to the next question. Uh, whose turn is it? Nigar, read the question.
Yes, Luke and Desmond had the same number of sweets at first. Luke gave 8 sweets to Desmond, and Desmond then bought 5 more sweets. The number of sweets Desmond had in the end was twice as many sweets as Luke had at the beginning. How many sweets did each of them have at first?
Okay. You have 1.5 minutes. Any answer?
Mr. Kasim, I sent you my answer.
Your answer is incorrect, Elmira. How did you get it, Elmira? Did you really solve it or you just guessed the answer?
No, I like I if it is 29, I just no, I didn't guess, but I get answer from answers. How can I explain?
Abbas, can you call Nazikush? Be quick. Yeah, tell her that I'm going to show her a cat. Cat. Okay, Elmira, here. Tell your cat to look at me, Nigar.
Jessica, please. Jess, stop, please. So,
And it's trying to understand what's going on here because just woke up, right? That's why.
she's learning math too.
I want to show this to my daughter now. She's coming, I think. Okay, we gotta keep it. Okay, let's finish this, and after this,
Okay.
also my kids, they are asking me actually, Father, can we keep a cat? And I said no, because we live in an apartment house. It is. Where's Nazikush? But tell her that I'm gonna show her a cat. Very nice cat. Okay, so let's say here we have Luke and Desmond, right? Had the same number of sweets at first. At first, let's say each one has n sweets. Okay, continue. Luke gave 8 sweets to Desmond. So that means that now after giving away, wait, how many sweets left with Luke? That is n minus 8. How about Desmond now? It has n plus 8. And after that, it says that Desmond then bought 5 more sweets, right? And still, actually, he bought 5 more sweets. So the number of sweets Desmond had in the end was twice as many sweets as Luke had at the beginning, right? So this one is, we are talking about these two numbers. This one is Luke had at the beginning, and this one is Desmond had at the end, right? So it's saying that this one n plus 13, right? It says twice as many. It means 2 times as many as Luke had at the beginning. So that is m. That's it. So take n to the right-hand side. 2n minus n, that's equal to 13. What is n? N is equal to 13. How many sweets did each of them have at first? So at first they had 13 sweets. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Next question. Elmira, read the question.
There are 25 trees planted an equal distance along a road. The distance between the first and the eighth tree is 56. What is the distance between the first and the last tree?
Elmira, did you understand the question?
I think yes.
Okay. Leila, Elmira, Nigar, you have 2 minutes to solve this question. That is a little bit tricky and harder question. Okay, time starts now. Nigar, your answer is not correct.
Mr. Cousin, but now is it correct?
No, it's not correct.
No?
Elmira, your answer is correct. Leila, how about you?
And now is it correct? I understood.
What did you say, Nigar?
And now is my answer correct? Because I
No,
understood. No?
no, no.
But how?
Leila, no answer from you?
No
Okay, Nigar,
answer.
make another guess. Let me
Answer.
see this time it works or not. What is another guess?
Mr. Kazim, my answer is A.
Your answer is A.
Yes.
Why? Is it because the last letter of your name is A?
No.
Why A?
Of course I am.
Or is A the first letter in the English alphabet? Why A? Tell me.
Um. I am. How do you say?
So your favorite letter
Oh
is
yes.
A.
I'm
Huh?
so no. I'm so this and
Did you
yes.
really get A? Say
Yes.
Leila. Okay, then it's a wrong answer. Only Elmira's answer is correct. That is C. Why is it so? It's a very easy question. Look, it says that there are 25 trees planted at equal distances along a road, right? So we are talking about along the road, right? And that is our first tree, and that's the last tree. And can you make more cold water? So this one is our first tree, and this one is 25, right? So the distance between the first and the eighth tree is 56. And here we have eighth tree, okay? The distance is, what is it? 56. Nigar, if I ask you the question, all right, between the first tree and eighth tree, how many intervals are there?
7 intervals.
7 intervals. Very good. Here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So that means
Yeah.
there's 7 intervals. Let's say the length of one interval is p, for example. So p is equal to 56. What is p? P equals 56 over 7. That's equal to 8. Now, if I ask you another question again, how many intervals do we have between first and 25th tree?
I think 24.
24. So 24 times the length of each interval is 8. 8 times 24, that's equal to 192. Right?
But yes, I did it. It is my mistake. I did, yes, 24 for 8, and it is my mistake. I thought that it is.
Where did you make a mistake in multiplication?
Yes, I did it fast,
Hmm. Okay,
and
Nigar, you should be careful, okay? Because a small mistake, again, this is math, If you just make a small mistake, it will give a wrong answer. Today, I played tennis a lot, like 2.5 hours. Maybe I drank more than 4 liters of water today, I think. So thirsty. Anyway, girls, let's see what's the next question. Okay, that's the last question, and after that, we will finish the class, okay? Look at the number sequence. All right, you have 1 minute. All right, it's the last question. Nigar A, Elmira A, Leila A. All answers are wrong. You know what is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. You know why? Let me just write these numbers in reverse order. Right. For example, this 14, it is, 41, it is 14. 21, 12, it is 21. 82, 28. 53, 35. 24, 42. 94, 49. 65, 56. 36, 63. Right. Leila, what do you notice here? What are these numbers? Are they multiples of 7? 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, 7 times 5, 7 times 6, 7 times 7, 7 times 8, 7 times 9. What is the next number? So the next number is 70. So that means that P should be equal to 0, 7, right? So 0, 7 is just 7. So the value of B is 7. Yes, Elmira. Are you going to ask a question?
Yes, not a question, just Mr. Carson, but music can be like, how can I say? I get also an order,
You get
uh,
what?
like order. How can I say?
How did you get 106, Elmira? Can you explain?
Yes. For example, 41 minus 29 will get 12, then plus 70. 82 minus 29, 53 minus also 29, 24, then plus again 70, 94 minus 24, 65 minus 29, 94 minus 29, and also minus 29, and again plus 70.
But also it can be like this, right? This one,
Yes.
36, 36 minus 7, also 29,
No, how can
right? Now, if you're saying this, are you saying
no?
that this one is
There
29? This is 29.
minus 29 and plus how
Yeah,
can
you are saying this is minus, minus, it is plus, and minus, but it's not working here. Minus plus, which one is minus minus or plus plus or minus plus minus plus? What is the pattern here?
like 20, 41 minus 29, 12, then plus 70, we'll get 82, then again minus 29, 53, again minus 29, 24, and then again plus like 80, like minus 29 minus 29 plus 80, sorry, 70.
Hmm. So, Elmira, can you just tell me in one sentence what is the rule of your number sequence? What is the rule?
um, A minus 20 minus 29, we'll get B minus 29, and plus 70, we'll get C.
Yeah, Elmira, you should try. Okay, just a single rule. It doesn't work for this. Every time you're changing in number sequence, there must be one rule that applies to all the terms in the number sequence. Okay.
Mr. President, I have a different rule. Uh, One, I can say one and two, two, three and four, four. It's five and it's six, and I'm saying think it's be six. I can say two. Yes, six two.
Okay. I didn't think of
Mm.
those answers because here, if you just look at these numbers, if you reverse these numbers, as you see here, we get multiples of 7, right? There's a single rule here: 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. All of these numbers are just multiples of 7. So the next number should be 70. If you just reverse this, it is 0, 7. So the value of 0, 7 is just 7. Okay. Anyway, actually, this question, sometimes the puzzle question, it may be this, how to say, and we can discuss on this. It's okay. But still, in number sequence, the rule, actually, it must be a single rule. Okay, you should be able to describe this for all the numbers so it works. We should not change this every time. Anyway, guys, let's finish this now, okay? Let me just check the WhatsApp, all right? If I didn't share these questions yet, I'm going to share with you. So you will practice at the weekend if you have time, okay? Only 2 weeks left, okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. See you on Monday. All right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, Mr. President.
Bye-bye. Thank you.